Good morning, all. This is Fari Hamzi. Second recording. We missed the first one. It's 9:17 now. Uh, it's October 15, 2020. Great webinar last night. Appreciate your response. A lot of good questions. Because we're rushed right now, we had a number of issues this morning. It's called Growing Pains, the joys of having your own website. We have also a bunch of option trades on it. For the earnings season, we had to quickly attend to that. So I'm going to jump quickly to economic report. What's important to us, as mentioned yesterday, is jobless claims. It just came in, basically in line with what the consensus is, a little bit above that. Again, we're not, the numbers are growing on COVID. We're not having a great market situation here with the job market. Last non-farm was 661 plus. Positive 661. We hired 600,000. We're losing 900,000 a week now on initial jobless claims. That's not a pretty picture. Going into the election, that's why everybody on the right and far right is just panicky. You can see in their actions and comments and then so forth. So I'm not getting into politics. That's not my business. Let's go to Philly. No, hold on. Let's go back here. Can you guys hear me okay? Let's see. You guys can hear me okay. All right. So, let's see. This is Philadelphia Fed. Pretty good. This is pretty good. The consensus was 14. Prior was 50. It jumped 32. Bravo. Okay. We need to get the economy back up. We do. Because of tax base. We can't take care of this debt without taxes. And then I want to see what Empire State has reported. That's New York. Yeah. Okay. Oh, geez. Oh, Murray. Oh, Murray. Okay. Guys, audio check, please. Let me know if you're hearing me fine. Okay. Okay. So, 10.5 to 14.5. And on the low end of the consensus, this is not good. All right. And then, I don't know about import export. Is there something? Yeah, okay, 10 is the EIA. All right. So, Kaplan is speaking. Bullard. So, you got a dissenter on FOMC from Texas and a Mr. Dove himself from San Luis. What I have some choice words for him. Anyhow, tomorrow morning is what you want to look at as retail sales, industrial production. So tomorrow morning. All right, let's move forward quickly. Market timing, I'm not going to go through that. We did it last night. Nothing has changed since then. Thank you, Ziad. I appreciate it, sir. OTF, that's where we are now. We lost 120 yesterday. Yeah, that's a dot session. Overnight, what did we do? ON. Murray. Hold on. What did we do overnight? It was here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, it should be okay. There's overnight. You could see 41 down and wow, 1.57. Okay. The solar names are getting smoked. Great job, Mark Caffrey and Christian Wagner. Great scan. Don't forget, next Tuesday we have a webinar on the scans. First radar screen scan ever. Radar screen webinar ever. Not a scan, yeah. Okay, and of course the PM is going to be there from TradeStation. All right, let's get to NQs. We have 9 minutes to go. Let's finish this up. Okay. I think we should step back. Why? This is too close. We're not. If you look at this, okay, that's why I try to do during the day. I look at that, and I say, okay, do I need to concentrate here? Probably not. This is what's going to dominate. We're not doing sausage here. Why? Look at the MBS. MBS is ticking down, and we're below that. So until we get above this, and maybe we will, we don't know yet. Let's see how this opens. So we need to see if this gets through 859 or not. That's what the MBS says. That would change things. I'm saying, I understand California is not reporting. I have no idea. It's frozen because of fraud. How can you tell? How can anyone see the picture of unemployment? I'm just using government data. I'm not using state data. I'm using federal data. So, but it is what it is right now. I'm using government data that's federal. So, But that's a good point you have. I don't know. But what do you mean it's frozen? Because of what's fraud? California? Where's the proof of the fraud? Okay. I mean, there's a lot of Bauer websites. Let's get some serious sources. Always consider what the source is. Does that website or newspaper report corrections or not? That should be your first test. So, beware what you read on the internet. Okay. Thanks. Appreciate that. Again, last night, maybe a quick review there. Timer we talked to, nothing else. Here's what we did. We spent a lot of time on NSQ. So go through that, please. Okay, take a look at that. That portion of the webinar, we spent time there. We spent some time here. Okay, to show the pullback. Of course, this is day 3 of the move back. Any violation of this level should be of concern to us. 3, 4, 5, 7. I did check the PMT. PMT is not triggered yet, but we could get close. We'll see. How much are we down here? Hold on. Again, this is not a political discussion. We got to talk facts. Okay, thanks. And if you got something new I need to know, I would love it. I would love it. But if it's some Bauer stuff, I'll have B2 circling over you. Just leave your what do you call it? Your Apple phone on, so that we can get the terminal guidance on those JDAMs. Yeah. Let me come back here. I'm gonna look at here. We're down how much? 40. Yeah, just getting close. Yeah, getting close. We have to watch this. All right. Yeah. Do we have a? This is short term. We need to see more. All right. Again, Admiral will join us after about 10:45 to give his initial view of what the ES market looks like. With that, I'm going to close this and we're going to switch back to operations, regular operations.